What up, YouTube peoples? If you got a Volvo shit box, you are in the right place. As you can see from the thumbnail, I'm cutting into my hood again. If you guys ever looked it up, as you drive down the road, there's basically an air pocket inside your engine compartment, and the only way the air can get out is shove it. If you cut vents in your hood, it goes up, so it creates less lift, and it also evacuates all kinds of under the hood heat. And I like stuff like that, yeah. So I'm gonna give it a go again on my daily, because honestly it's my daily now, but if it ever breaks, it's just gonna go in the backyard, and I'm gonna start my drag car project. As soon as I get another daily, it will instantly be the drag car project, and all the parts of the motor would just be spares for my new daily, which is what I plan to do. But I'm digressing. Let's just go outside and walk around and get to it. All right, another one. Well, as you can see, the sun is setting, and tomorrow I will be throwing sparks. Now, I know what you're saying, Nick, don't do it, oh no. I don't care. I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyway, okay? But every time I hack something on my car, it seems to help. So I'm gonna just hack this one up, and it's a forever car. When it breaks, I'm just gonna turn it to a drag car, and after that, I'll probably crush it. I'm the last owner. This one too, probably the last owner. I'll smash it into the wall about 3 or 4 times, and maybe I'll put a lift kit on it and cut the butt off. I know y'all all seen that on Instagram, your Volvo fanatics probably seen that, where the dude put a lift kit on. He had one like that, and it got hit in the rear end, and it crushed it bad, and he just lifted up and cut the butt off of it and put gas cans in it. It was pretty cool. So yeah, no matter what, I'll end up with these cars. So I'm gonna cut a vent. You know what you're thinking? Oh no, Nick, that's close to turbo manifold. Yep, I'm aware. And I know you're like, oh God, your exhaust manifold bolts, your headers, even though I don't have a header. But yeah, you're right. It potentially could help rust those parts. But I got some copper infused extreme high temperature anti-seize. I'm telling you, I'll show it to you. You can't, it's all in German. I don't even know what they're saying on the back of the stuff. But yeah, if you put that on a bolt, it will not seize on. Trust me, bro. It's expensive, and it ain't gonna seize on. Matter of fact, hold on. This stuff right here. Now, none of it's in English, but if I can get in close, you can see it is a copper infused anti-seize. So you see all the copper flakes and stuff inside of. So it's made for high temps. The exact same high temps I'm using on turbo manifold, that's exactly what that stuff's designed for. So I'm not really worried about any of my bolts getting seized on, and pretty much everything's rusty or oily, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, so y'all just hold on 1 second, and it'll be tomorrow, okay? And I'll get the grinder. All right. Okay, here we go. This is the material I'm using. Now the reason I'm using this is because I got it from my homie Big Stone for free. If you've been on the channel for a little while, you might have recognized him. He's the only other person on the channel other than my girlfriend sometimes, and he's the one that looks like a Viking. It's pretty simple. The guy whose head looks bulletproof. That's yeah, it's the second layer of paint. It's pretty nice to me. I ain't got no problems with that. Yeah, and it'll be under the hood, but riveted in. Yeah, let's turn that on. But I do have to flip it, paint the other side about 2 times. So that'll be 2 coats on both sides. Then I will place it into the car, and then tape a border around it once it's riveted in. Get one last final 2 layers of paper to make the border. So, yeah. Okay, I got the screen painted and in. I ran out of rivets. I literally need 3 more rivets. But you know, I got the 6 in there. I'm gonna tape it off, paint it. So this grill will have like 3 layers of paint and no, 4 layers of paint on the grill and 2 on the out. You know, just because it's there, so it's gonna get it. But yeah, there we go. You can see it from under. Not bad. So okay, there we go. I was wrong. I went rummaging and found some more rivets. So got all 6 in. Definitely got to clean this off, tape it up, and hit it with a border. Needs the border. So I'll be back. I ain't mad at this. Kind of lame, but maybe to you, not me. Boys and girls, I need the cleaner. I think I'm gonna clean it and give some shots, but generally that's it. That's it. I just tape it off. I grind it. Be sure to cover your windshield. Yeah, let me put this up right. So yeah. Not a hard mod. I mean, I don't know what you tell me. I mean, it might be ghetto to you, but I like it, and it definitely works on that car. So I figured I'd give it a try here since I have all that turbo heat. So the reason I did it, 1, pressure pocket under hood. 2, heat rises. It'll get out of those holes and vacuum air to it, because when air leaves one place, that's called displacement. You should know this because you're a car guy. It leaves one place, something has to take its place when it evacuates, which is cooler air. It'll vacuum cooler air from surrounding areas as hot air, goes about the vents. And maybe I'll get lucky and it'll let some choo-choo noises out. So, but yeah, guys, I live in the South, so keeping my car cool the concept of that don't even hurt my feelings. I mean, go ahead and hit the like, hit the dislike. It don't matter. But I tell you what, if you ever overheated your car in a southern drive-through, go ahead and tell me about it in the comment section. 2, if you own a Volvo shitbox, what year, how many miles? I want to know in the comment section. I got people that do watch the videos. They can't all be my friends. Some of them are just Volvo freaks. So to all my Volvo freaks, appreciate it, and I'm out. Shut up for my little friend. Perfect.